All right. All right. JS class Igbo. Please, this is your JS class L2 Igbo past questions. L2 Igbo based on past questions. But this one I want to solve the questions for you. This is for the year 2017. The year 2017 that we are going to solve today. So please pay attention. I will read the comprehension as you are seeing it here. Section 1. Agụcha Aza, which is comprehension. I will read it and answer. I will read it and explain in English for some of us that don't understand Igbo language, because this class is for L1 and L2. Igbo L1 and L2. Igbo L1 are people that are from Southeast, people that are called Igbo people, while L2 is for people that are not called Igbo people. So I believe in this class I have some people that are not pure, that are not Igbo people. So that's why I will read and explain in English and answer the questions. All right, let me start. So before I start, please, if you have your last well, NECO, junior secondary school past questions. If you have the last well, that is green, evergreen solutions, last well, bring it out to help us. That's where I'll be reading from, and the picture you are seeing. Okay. N'ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị, ụlọ akwụkwọ means school. N'ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị nwere ndị nkuzi ise. They have 5 teachers. Ụmụ akwụkwọ 18. Ụmụ akwụkwọ 18. They have a student. Ụmụ akwụkwọ means student. 18. They have students, that is 18 students. They have 18 students, that is 18. They have 18 students. Oche akwụkwọ 20, that is the chair for their books, that is desks. They have 20. Oche akwụkwọ 20, which is 20 desks. Ndo akara 10. Akwụkwọ ọgụgụ, ndo akara 10, that is blackboard, 10. Akwụkwọ ọgụgụ 12, books, which are 12 in number. Ndo akara 10, said that one before. Akwụkwọ ọgụgụ 12, okay, 12. Na akwụkwọ odide 7. They have the book which they used to write. It is 7 in number. Ụmụ akwụkwọ na-eji pensụl ede ihe, mana ndị nkuzi na-eji nzu odee ede ihe n'ụgbọ ojii. Okay? The students uses pencil, that is the pupils uses pencil to write, while teachers use chalk to write on the blackboard. Naanị ndị nkuzi na-eji ụtarị. It is only the teachers that hold cane. Ụtarị, U-T-A-L-I, which is ụtarị. That means cane. Ụmụ akwụkwọ na-eji akwụkwọ na pensụlụ aha, while the pupils hold their books, their exercise books and their pencil. Oche akwụkwọ anyị na-acha edo edo. That is, the books or the desks in which they keep their books is red in color. Edo edo is red in color or white in color. Then nwata akwụkwọ daa ule. If a student fails any exam, apịa ya ọnụ ụtarị isii. They will give him or her 6 strokes of cane. If any student fails the exam, they will give him or her 6 strokes of cane. Onye azaghị klaasị ya n'ụtụtụ, apịa ya ọnụ ụtarị itoolu. If any student do not or pupil do not sweep their classroom, they will flog him or her 9 strokes of cane. Nwata akwụkwọ gbara onye mbụ n'ule, enye ya ihe nrite bụ akwụkwọ ọgụgụ 2. So any student that takes first position, they will give him or her 2 textbooks, 2 reading books. Onye gbara onye nke abụọ, enye ya otu akwụkwọ. Any other student that takes second position, they will give him or her 1 book. All right. So we'll answer ZAA means zaa ajụjụ ndị a. Zaa ajụjụ ndị a. Answer these questions. Ajụjụ means question in English. Zaa means answer. Zaa ajụjụ ndị a. So we are going to answer from 1 to 7. Then our next class will continue from other ones. Ndị nkuzi, number 1. Ndị nkuzi ole nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ a? How many teachers are there in the school? You have A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, D, 6, E, 7. So the answer for number 1 is C, which is 5. As you can see, we read it there, which is 5. They have 5 teachers. Look at it. Anyị nwere ndị nkuzi 5. So C is the answer, 5. Alright, so number 2, oche akwụkwọ ole dị n'ụlọ akwụkwọ a? How many seats are there in this school? A, we have 7. B, we have 10. C, we have 17. D, we have 18. E, we have 20. Okay, number 2 is E. The answer to number 2 is E, which is 20. Okay, number 3, rụpụta ụmụ akwụkwọ ole nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ a. That is, how many students are there in the school? How many students? Number 1, we have 5, B, 10, C, 12, D, 18, E, 20. Okay, the answer to number 3 is D, which is what? 18, which is 18 students or pupils. Then number 4, gịnị bụ ndọ akara? Gịnị bụ ndọ akara? Gịnị bụ ndọ akara? All right. Okay, A means exercise, B, pencil, C, ruler, D, school chair, D, school chair, E, this one is E, that double D, that was a mistake. So the last D is E, school sandal. Gịnị bụ ndọ akara? Number 4, The answer is C. Ndakara means ruler. Ndakara means ruler. Alright, number 5, we have what is Nzu Ode in English? What is Nzu Ode in English? A. Ball point. B. Chalk. C. Color. D. Marker. E. Pencil. The answer is B. Number 5, the answer is B, which is chalk. Chalk. B. Okay, number 6. Gịnị bụ ụcha akwụkwọ ebe a? What is the color of the book, the desk that they used to keep book in that write-up? What is the color of the desk? All right. Okay, number 1. Okay, A. Akwụkwọ ndụ. B. Edo. C. Nchara. D. Oji. E. Ọbara. So number 6 is B, which is Edo. Alright, in our next class, we are going to look at number 7. So expect a new video for this one is part 1. I will label it part 1. Then part 2 is we'll start from number 7. Remember, this is past question. Say number 7, I read the question. Kedu ndị na-eji ụtarị? Kedu ndị na-eji ụtarị? Which people holds cane? So we'll state the answer in our next class, which will be part 2 of Junior WAEC past questions. Thank you very much. Please remember, we are an education agency called Wuzie Academy HSA. We do mass literacy, adult education, children's education. We prepare pupils that are from primary 4 to 5 for common entrance and any other external exam. Then we run mathematics, English, physics, chemistry classes for junior school and the senior school. We as well teach our students online and offline. So if you like the one online, we use Zoom and Cisco WebEx to teach. If you want us to come to your house, we will come there. Our teachers are scattered all over Nigeria. Thank you very much. Remember our slogan here: pursue knowledge. Pursue knowledge. Knowledge is life. Education is life. If you don't have knowledge, if you are not educated, you don't have life. So pursue knowledge. What you know today is capable of helping you today and tomorrow. Thank you very much.